Hi friends, myself Dr.Vaishali Tinkhede, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology. Today we learn the topic digestive system of this Fasciola hepatica. In the last lecture, we studied the structure of this Fasciola hepatica. Then today we start the digestive system of this Fasciola hepatica. So this is the diagram which shows the structure of this digestive system of the Fasciola hepatica. So, in this digestive system, Fasciola has an incomplete alimentary canal and thus it do not have anus. Okay, so in this digestive system consists of different parts like mouth, then then pharynx, then third one is the esophagus, then intestine. Okay, so we study one by one. Okay, in this first part of this digestive system is the mouth. So mouth. So mouth digestive canal begins from mouth, is situated at the anterior end, surrounded by the oral sucker. Okay, the mouth leads into a small funnel-shaped buccal cavity, and this latter is connected with the pharynx. Okay, connected with the pharynx. Then next is the pharynx. So pharynx has a small lumen and thick wall provided with radial muscle and pharyngeal gland. Then pharynx leads into esophagus. Pharynx lead into esophagus. Then next is the esophagus. So esophagus is lined by a single layer of epithelial cells and it in turn open into large intestine. Okay. Then next is the intestine. So the intestine has numerous branches. See here, the intestine has numerous branches both on right and left side. So each branch again gives out numerous irregular side branches called ceca. Okay, and these outer ceca are large and further branch, while the inner ceca are short and the simple. So the pharynx and esophagus are internally lined with cuticle and intestine is lined by endodermal columnar cells. So caecal epithelium has secretory gland cell and liver flux feeds on tissue elements and exudates including bile, blood and lymph. So fasciola lacks circulatory system. The ramification of digestive canal helps in distributing nutrients to different parts of the body. So digestion is mostly extracellular. Intracellular digestion also occurs and undigested waste are digested through the mouth. So the alimentary canal is really glorified colenteron. Okay, so this is all about the digestive system of this fasciola hepatica. Then mechanism of feeding and the digestion. So in flug, when hungry migrates into smaller bile duct and capillaries for feeding, they suck the lymph, bile and tissue pieces with the help of the oral sucker. Okay. Once again, see here, the flug when hungry migrate into smaller bile duct and capillaries for feeding. They suck the lymph, bile and tissue pieces with the help of the oral sucker. The digestion in this flug is extracellular type and it takes place in the intestine. So the distribution of the digested food is done by diverticula of the intestine. So monosaccharides can directly diffuse through the body surface. Amino acids are absorbed by the tegument and the food is reserved is in the form of glycogen and fats in the mesenchyme and muscles. So here this is the mechanism of feeding and the digestion. Okay friends, so here our digestive system of this fasciola hepatica is completed and also the mechanism of feeding and the digestion. Okay, thank you friends for seeing my video. I hope this video is useful for you for your preparation. Okay, thank you very much.